Pricing tiers. So how do they work and how can we use them? So go to courses, go into your course or go into pricing, and from here we can set up pricing tiers. Now pricing tiers are available throughout all of our payment types. So I'm going to just choose one-time purchase to show you this demonstration. Let's click one-time purchase and click next. So with this I'm going to set up a course here and I'm going to charge just $20 for this course, or £20 for this course. I'm going to call this bronze level. So this is a basic bronze level course. So we're going to call this a basic course. And then we're going to say access, because they only have access to the bronze parts of the tier. Let's now type into here, bronze access. Okay, so now we've done this, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how the pricing tiers work. So pricing tiers allow you to actually set certain parts of the site or the course or sections per tier plan. So for this plan, because it is the basic bronze plan, we're going to say that this tier only gives them access to the bronze sections of the site. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to go to selected, and you'll notice that inside of my course I have 3 sections. This is the bronze, the silver, and at the bottom the gold. So I can close these tiers up, or I can close these sections up by clicking here. So for this first one I'm only going to give students access to the bronze part of the course. So you can see that this has been set up and you can see that everything in the bronze section are now checked. I can also pick individual lessons if I wanted to as well. So I don't have to have the access to the whole section, but only parts or lessons within sections if I want. But for this particular plan, I only want them to have access to the bronze section of the site. So now this is done, all I need to do is click finish. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set another pricing plan up with access to the silver sections of the course. To make it easier for me, I'm simply going to clone this original price plan. Let's click plan there. Let's choose our type. This is a one-time purchase, as you can see here, and we're going to click confirm. Now this is going to open up with all the same settings as before, but for this course I'm going to charge £40, so double the price of the bronze. I'm going to call this silver and I'm going to call this the intermediate. Okay, let's put silver access and let's go down to the bottom and now open up or allow access to the silver parts of the course. So we've now allowed access to the bronze and the silver in this silver package. Let's now click update and this will take us back and we'll have created the silver package. Next I'm going to clone the silver package and I'm going to make this a one-time purchase again, and I'm going to click confirm. Now I'm going to go into this package and call it the gold. So we're going to call this advanced. This is just one way that tiers could be used in the system, but gives you an idea of the power of tiers. Let's now open this up and access the gold section of the course by clicking here. Now because the gold has got access to everything, I could turn tiers off. This in effect would give them access to everything. So it's up to you how you want to do this. For this one I will just leave it as all marked as tiers. I'm now going to click update to this once I've changed the price to 60. So it's a little bit more expensive but not double. Let's click update and now we will have the 3 tiers set up. This is the same course, remember, but each of the tiers give them access to different parts or different levels or sections or lessons within a course. Let's now view this on the page. I'm going to click refresh and you're going to see now that you have these in order: gold, silver and bronze. One last thing, let's make the silver one the most popular package. I'm going to click edit here, scroll down to the bottom and click make most popular. Now I'm going to click update. Let's refresh this and see the change that happens on this. Now you can see the silver is marked in the middle there as most popular. This is how tiers work within the system. Now when students buy the bronze package, they will only have access to the sections or lessons that you've allowed. The same will apply for the silver and the gold. This is how tier systems work within Zenler. And this is a multi-price package inside of this course. Please note that this tier system works for all of the options within Zenler. So free, one-time purchase, subscription and payment plan. From the student's point of view, we'll just look at what the student sees when they buy this bronze package. So now I'm logged in as a student and I've bought the bronze lesson. You'll notice that you still have access to see the lessons inside of the different workshops. However, when you go in to the first one that you have access to, which is this, you will see this. But if I try to go down to one of the other workshops, it will say that this lesson is unavailable and that I need to either go back to the dashboard or I need to upgrade. To access this area, I need to get gold access, which is £60. Now if I try to go into, say, the silver area, you're going to have both options come up. Do you want access to the silver or to the gold? So this is a way that they cannot get through to this area. Now if I set myself as a student to the silver, I will have all access to silver but not gold. Let's try that now. Okay, so now I've been added to both bronze and silver. Let's see what happens. So I can start this first one here and I can go to the next lesson, and I'm now into the silver area. Let's click into the next lesson. You can see I've got the first audio file for silver, and I can go and I can view any of these ones. So I can go through and I can view all of these as I go through. Let's just do this compulsory lesson first. I can move through to the assignments, but as soon as I try to go into the gold workshop, it's going to come up with this lesson is not available. So this is how tiers work, and is a really good way to separate different areas or levels of your course and gain upgrades from your students along the way. This is tiers on Zenler.